Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about for loop. Everybody knows why we are going to use loop. Loop is mainly used for iteration or repetition. You want to repeat some statement, you can use loop. So there are four parts of loop. I'm talking about for loop. Start value. Every loop has start value, that is called initial value. End value, that is called condition test. Updation, that means you want to increment the value of loop or you want to decrement the value of loop. Then fourth step is statement, where we are going to print a number of statement or any expression. So these are the four parts of loop. And what is the syntax for loop? This is the syntax. You have to write for, within braces we have to place out two semicolon, and this is curly braces. How it is working? What are these part? First part is your initial value, then semicolon. Second part is condition test, where we are going to test the condition, and this is updation, where we have to put increment or decrement value, and within curly braces this is the statement. So now I'm going to give you an example how this loop will work out. So this is flow of working of for loop. This is very important. You must follow these steps and flow, so you can print any kind of iteration or series and all while using for loop. So this is the flow. I'm giving you this flow in one by one step. This is step number 1, this is step number 2, this is step number 3, and this is step number 4. So first, how this for loop is working. The first step is start value, and then second step is condition test. If condition is true, it will come inside the block, and this is step number 3. It will execute the statement. After the executing statement, it will go for the fourth step, that is your increment or decrement. And after the increment and decrement, again it will go for the second step, and it will check the condition. If condition is true, it will come again inside the block. Once your condition will false, stop, your loop will be stopped or exit from the current loop. So what is the example how this loop is working? I'm giving you an example. Suppose there is a I is equals to 1. This is the start value, this is start value, and this is end value, this is updation, and this is statement block. So first it will check I is equals to 1. Second step it will check I less than is equals to 5. Condition is true because I is 1, 1 is less than 5, condition is true. It will come inside the block and it will print the value of I, so it will print 1. And then fourth step, it will be incremented the value of I by plus 1. So again next time the value of I will be 2. So again it will check the condition, that is step number 2. The value of I is right now 2. 2 is less than 5. Again condition is true. It will go and print the value of I, 2. Then I will be 3, print 3. Then I will be 4 and 5. At the last, once the value of I will be 5, in fourth step it will be increment the value of I by plus 1. That means I becomes 6. When I becomes 6, it will go and check the condition, that is step number 2. So 6 is less than 5, condition is false. Once your condition will be false, you will exit from the loop. So it will start printing. So what will be the output of this loop? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the flow that we can run the loop, or we can understand how for loop is working. In my next video, I will tell you that how you can print the table and how we can print the number of factorial, Fibonacci series and all by using for loop. Thank you.